This is Haley, 4.5 months, trying to crawl. Good job, honey. You got the toy. Good job. Haley, come get mommy. Come get mommy. Come on.
Is this cheese good?
Come on. Come on. You can do it. You can do it. Yes, you can. Yes, you can. Come on. Come on. Come on. Yeah. Good job. You got the arm. Yeah. You got the arm forward. Now just pull the leg. You just gotta get the leg. There we go. Good job. Good job. Come get the toy. Come get the toy. Come on. Come on, sweets. You can do it, Haley. You can do it, baby. Come on, Haley Bug. Come on. Oh, that was a good one. Come on. Come on, sweetie. Hi. Yeah. Wow. That position's getting out some good gas. Good job. You're crawling, sweets. You gotta move the other leg now. Yeah. 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 Good job, sweetie. Yeah.